Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It's totally up to you. Just find your contact, then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll pick Sami. And now we have to tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on add picture, and here we've been transferred to some categories from which we can choose the photo from. Obviously we can enter our own gallery and set our own photo. We can also open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, where we've got backed up photos, and the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have any kind of photo, you cannot really take a photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. You can try to find something interesting here and set it as a photo. So let me pick maybe I don't know, maybe this one. So just tap on it, and it doesn't matter whether you will choose the illustration or your photo. You will be able to change the position of the photo right here. You can also change the presets. So basically you will be able to zoom in or out the photo, change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. As you can see, it is highlighted. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.